Hello students, welcome back to the class on business and society. My name is Rishi Chakraborty, assistant professor in the Department of Management at Assam Downtown University. From the above discussion on the scope of sociology, it can be concluded that business today is arguably the most dominant institution in the world. The term business refers here to any organization that is engaged in making a product or providing a service for a profit. Society, in its broadest sense, refers to human beings and to the social structures they collectively create. In a more specific sense, the term is used to refer to the segments of humankind, such as members of a group, community, a particular community, nation, and interest group, as a set of organizations created by humans. Business is clearly a part of the society. At the same time, it is also a distinct entity separated from the rest of the society by clear boundaries. Businesses is engaged in ongoing exchanges with its external environment across these dividing lines. Thank you very much.